I'm ready for the race. Wait. Take it easy. We're not gonna race today. Yeah. See, try to understand. Today's the summer. So no race today. We could just go ahead and spend our vacation anytime we want. Like going swimming, go golf, or other stuff like that in the summer, but I'm trying to understand, okay? Okay. And did you let Woodpecker know? Yes, he already knows. But it's June, right? Yep. Okay, I better get going. Oops. I need more time. No puede carrera? Tim. No puede carrera. Sí, no puede carrera. No puede carrera. No carrera. Yeah, Bob may have a point. It's the summer day. We could just go ahead and have fun. Summer, I love them. Summer, I love them. Yeah, Bullwinkle, good point. I mean, no enemies, no shenanigans, and no racing season for today. But now we just go ahead and have some fun in the summer. Okay, Bullwinkle? Yup. Yeah. But where's Weenie Woodpecker and Chilly Willy, Wally Wallace, Miss Minnie, and your best friend Annie Panda? Well, Annie Panda's is in Brazil to meet, have new friends, and Chilly Willy is still at the Arctic, and Weenie is going to Florida? Yes, to Florida for her vacation, but she'll come back soon. Permanently. But Miss Minnie, she hasn't returned, and Wally Wallace still hasn't here, and Buzz Buzzard and fell into despair, and he'll never catch me again. Oh, well, that takes good care of that. Yep, let's try to be proactive. Come on, Bullwinkle. There's something I want to show you. Wait for me. Hooray! No, today's the last day of school. I wait for the summer to come. Yeah, Sally. Permanently. Yeah, I just love the summer days. It's all my favorite season of the year. Did you see, Big Brother? It's my favorite. Once the school is over, I could spend my time in the summer. And nothing's gonna go wrong. Not this time. You don't say. Oh, hi, my sweet Babu. But Sally, he's not even your sweet Babu. What does he know? Thank you, Charlie Brown. It's been taken care of, but thanks for your concern. Come on, we'll be late for the last day of school. Alright, come on, Sally, let's get going and spend for our last day of school, okay? Okay, Big Brother. Wait for me. Hey, Chuck, wait for me. Well, Gerald, this is it. This is the last day of school now. Yep. It's gonna have a great summertime. But, yep, I'm a bald kid now, Gerald. Just like you said every single time. Yeah, right. But, okay, let's go. No, welcome, Harold. Hi, Mr. Simmons. We're here just in time.